The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. An Amber Alert has been issued on behalf of the Murfreesboro Police Department for Truth Clay Brooks. Based on additional investigative information developed during the search for the baby, it is now believed he is in imminent danger. Truth is a 2-month-old black male, 1 feet, 8 inches tall, 20 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Truth is believed to be with a 17-year-old mother, Jayla Clay Brooks, and 16-year-old aunt, Joan Clay Brooks, who ran away from home on October 4, 2024. Truth has a medical condition that requires treatment. If you have seen Truth or have information about his whereabouts, please contact the Murfreesboro Police Department at 615-893-1311 or TBI at 1-800-TBI-FI North D.